This recording is to help you navigate Canvas. Even if you've used Canvas before, you should watch. There may be some things that you may find helpful. To access Canvas, you will go to the Delgado website at dcc.edu. You will select the Quick Links. Select Canvas Login. To log into Canvas, you will use your Lola username and password. Once you log into Canvas, you're on the dashboard page. At the top of the page, there may be announcements. On the left menu bar, there's going to be links. The first link is for the dashboard. The second link is to your courses. There's a calendar link, and there is an inbox link. You can access your courses from the dashboard or the course icon. On the center part of the page of the dashboard, you will see your course cards. If your instructor chooses, you may have a picture on your course card, or it just may be a solid color. I like to have a textbook for a visual cue. I also like to color code my cards. You can change the color of your course cards if you like. On the top right of the card, there are 3 dots. When you click on those dots, you can select the color that you would prefer. Only you will see the colors that you've chosen. You can also rearrange your cards by drag and drop. If you do not see your course on the dashboard, it may not be open yet, or you may not have it viewable on your dashboard. So how do you check? Select the Courses icon, and you'll see a list of all your courses. If you click on All Courses, it takes you to a menu, and items will either be colored in star or an outline star. If it's an outline star, it's not visible on your dashboard. All you have to do is touch it, and now it's visible on your dashboard. Also found on your dashboard on the right-hand side of the page is a ribbon that includes items that are coming up. Now on your dashboard, it's going to be information for all of your classes. It will also show if there's recent feedback. There's also a View Calendar link. You can access the calendar with this link, or you can access it with the calendar icon from the left-hand side of the menu. On the calendar, you can see any of your courses and what's assigned. And you can see they color coordinate to the colors that you have on your listing on the right-hand side of the page. You can view the calendar for the month, for the week, or in a list format that's known as the agenda, showing you everything that's due. This is your calendar. You can also add items that you don't want to forget about your classes. I want to take a minute and talk about the inbox. The icon is located on the left menu ribbon. This is very important. This is the way you will communicate with me. I will check my Canvas inbox more frequently than my email. And what happens when I have a message is I'll get like a little number with a circle that tells me how many messages I have. If you have an inbox and you've got 52 messages, you should go through and either read them or delete them so that you start fresh for the semester. Now, how does the inbox work? When you go into the inbox, if you're in a course, it will automatically pick your course, but you can pick your course list or you can hit the Start button, compose a message. From a pull-down menu, you will select your course. Then to send it to me, you're going to pick Teachers. And you can pick me or you can pick All Teachers. Please include a subject line. Let me know what your question is. If it's something like question number 3 on quiz number 2, type your message in the box. If you need to, you can attach a file. Then you want to send it. Now remember, it can take me 24 to 36 hours to respond, and that's Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So if you send me a message at 3 o'clock on Friday, I'm probably not going to get back to you on Friday. It may be Monday or Tuesday before you hear back to me. Now, sometimes I can respond quickly because I happen to be logged in and I'm able to answer without verifying information, even if it's on the weekend. But don't expect that response, and especially don't expect it about 30 seconds after you hit the send button. You will need to be aware of your inbox. When you receive a message, a red number identifying how many messages are there that need to be read. Again, like I said, check that out. If you got messages, read them. Other things you need to know about navigating Canvas. If you click on the icon above the dashboard icon on your left menu ribbon, that's where your profile is located. You can select the profile and you can set up your profile. You can include a picture like I did. One of the most important things in this area is the notification settings. This is how you can get updates from Canvas to know what's happening in your course. You can receive immediate notification, a daily summary, or a weekly summary, or choose not to receive any notifications. You can select how to be notified through email, text, or a push to the Canvas app. You should be receiving notifications on announcements and conversation message. Conversation message is the inbox. That way you don't miss out on anything. That wraps up some of the basic navigation topics for Canvas. For more information, I include Canvas guides in your course introduction module.